Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go over how to install NetBox. NetBox is an amazing tool. It's amazing for inventory. You'll see how much even they go over power consumption. You could see your network for each rack, each device, where it's located, and so on, so on. So we'll go do a high-level overview over it. We could go into the details in another video. So first of all, this is their page. I highly recommend using the Docker one. Amazing to install, very easy. Definitely you have to have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your machine. So we'll see here we're cloning the repository, going inside the repository, then creating a file called Docker Compose override, and we're putting this inside the file, end of file, and then we're specifying Docker Compose pull, then Docker Compose up. Docker Compose up will actually tell so what's happening in Docker is just getting okay, going over Docker will take a whole video by itself, so I'm not gonna do that. So what it is, it's getting like Redis, which is a caching application, Postgres and Django and those things. It's installing them for us to like for me it went pretty fast because I already have that. I've run it before, so but it takes a couple of minutes to pull the information, and I think we're good to go. So you have to go to the local host 8000, alright? Okay, then you go to login. Alright, so the username is admin and the password is admin. So I do recommend at the beginning going in and changing directly your password and the API token if you're using it for production. Definitely doing this at the beginning. So this is it. This is as easy as it gets. Took less than 2 minutes. So yeah, this is here. I created a site. You could see like it's really powerful. Like let's go create a new one. Right, so the first site I said LA. Let's say this is I don't know, Orange County. Right, site is active. Region, you could have a region also for the site. Group of sites, you want to say, like you want to put all the HR together, locations, I don't know, like it's pretty. You could give it an ASN number if you're integrating BGP into it. Give the physical address, the location. It's pretty powerful, like. Man, that's really amazing. Region, let's do California. Let's go to the rack, create a rack, specify a region for the rack, site. Now you see you cannot specify the site anymore because I didn't put the actual other sites inside of California. So let's go back here, let's go here, edit, where is it? California active region. Alright. Okay, go back to sites. region. Alright, let's go back to rack, create a new rack, region, it's California, site, you get LA. Let's say this is campus. It's amazing, and you could add devices here. Like this is the front and the rear of the rack. Alright, so this is, let's name this, I don't know, core or access 2. I wouldn't name it this way. Like what I'll do is if this is in LA dash okay, access dash 01 device role. So I just okay, you need to create also the device roles here, but since I already have server, I'm gonna use server. You could specify manufacturer, device type 2960, airflow, like is it rear, front, right to left. This is really powerful. Like when you have when the campus is small, it's not a big deal, but like when it starts to get big, this is really helpful. And then you go to here, you could see, if you go organization racks, you could see like how much is there, more spaces. IPAM. You could add IP addresses here. It's really helpful because like when you're dividing, what you do is like each site, it will be really helpful to know what you have, subnets and stuff like that. There's bulk create too, which is pretty nice as well. You could use like regexes, not regex, but like this, there's notification. Range prefixes, and the prefix is I think per site. You could specify like let's say 192.168.0.0/24. You could specify VRF for it. Like this is for California, which site, Orange County, and create. So you don't have any duplicate. It's really helpful with. And the nice thing, you could script most of it. Their API is also very powerful. Really, like it's really powerful. Like we'll go over that in another video for sure. Alright, see you guys. Thank you for joining.